Hey there, DIY lovers. See these lovely earrings? I know you would love to add them to your wardrobe. So today we are going to make these stunning glam earrings with mini roses. These earrings are perfect for any occasion, whether you are dressing up for a night function or just want to add a touch of glam to your everyday look. You see a wire in my hands and you must be thinking why I am showing it to you. Actually, we are not only going to make these earrings today, but we are also going to make a base. Actually, this is an old video. Due to an extra heavy dose of chemo, I was unable to record a new one. A new video was due, so here it is. Actually, there is a small incident attached with the recording of this video. When I was recording this video, I checked my supplies and my god, I couldn't find any base for the earrings. It was the time when corona was everywhere, so I couldn't go out to shop new ones, and that's why I decided to make the base at home. For base making, I have cut two circles of plastic bottle. Used plastic bottles, you can find them in your home easily, I think. I have cut two equal circles of the bottle and then have stuck them together, and now here I am making two holes at the opposite ends with a big needle, and the length of this needle is 9 centimeters. It's always very easy to make a hole with hot needle, and that's what I do. Usually I use a hot needle to make hole, and that's why I have used a spirit lamp with the needle. The wire you have seen earlier is the jewelry wire. It's a special jewelry wire. I have cut a piece of that wire, then made a half loop with the wire. Firstly, I have passed one end of the half loop of wire through the upper hole and then passed the same end of the wire through the lower hole, sparing a bit of wire. Then have pressed the extra piece of wire on the wrong side of the base with pliers. This way you have got ear studs in your hands. These are homemade ear studs, and we are going to make the whole earrings on this base. The wire I'm using now is used for hanging embellishments, and usually goldsmiths use it, and I also use it in jewelry making. This is called mungri in my country, but this is a jewelry wire, a special jewelry wire. It's very thin but very sturdy. There are small metal balls at the both ends of this wire, and the trick is you have to cut the wire from the half when you're using it and use one half to hang any embellishment on an earring. But here I'm also using this wire in place of a jump ring, because if I have used a jump ring, the length of the earring would have increased, and I didn't want extra long earrings for myself. To make the base of the earring neat, I have cut a piece of ribbon in a circle, burnt its edges, and when we are going to decorate the earring, then I'm going to stick this ribbon on the base. So if you're new here, I'm very happy to have you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Okay, the stone I have found in my supplies had no hole in it, and I wanted to hang it, so I am going to make a hole for it, a base for with a hole for hanging it on the earring. For this purpose, I am using interfacing. This is also called ticken in my country, and so my fellow countrymen can understand what I'm using. I had put the stone on the interfacing, had cut two pieces, and then I am going to stick those two pieces now with Fevicryl glue. I usually use Fevicryl glue for different purposes, and guys, this is not a paid promotion. This is something I use and I find it very handy. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Again, I'm using the small sturdy wire with the metal ball at its end here. I had made a half loop of the wire, then passed that wire through the hole we had made in the interfacing, then pressed that wire down with tongs, cut off the excessive end of the wire. I am going to stick this stone now with Fevicryl glue on the interfacing we had made. Here I'm going to use golden acrylic paint to paint the back side of the interfacing to make it look cute and neat, because this is jewelry we are making, so it should look really jewelry like. Next, attach the circle of the ribbon we had already cut and burnt to the earring base with hot glue. Now we are going to attach these small bead vines with hot glue on the base we had made. I had personally used these earrings in functions, and believe me, they look gorgeous when you wear them, really glamorous, and it's a very good addition in your wardrobe. So I say try them out. This is something really unique and personalized. Okay, now I'm going to use a jump ring here. Open the jump ring, then pass that jump ring through the champagne stone, the big champagne stone, and hang that stone to the base. And close the jump ring now. Stick the last bead vine and these are very small bead vines, just one bead in a wire. Next, attach the rose to the earring base with hot glue. Here I have chosen to make these earrings in purples and champagne color. The roses are in 3 shades of purple, and I have used the stone in champagne color. You can mix and match different colors to create a unique and personalized look. In my next video, I'm going to make this rose, so stay tuned for that video. And there you have it, your very own DIY glam earrings with mini roses. These earrings are sure to turn heads and make statement wherever you go. So why not give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Have a wonderful day.